It's day 2 of affiliate marketing and I'm for sure no expert, but I did make 3 commissions yesterday on my first day, and I want to give you the step-by-step on how I got started because I know that overwhelm and just not knowing is a big reason for most people not even getting there. First and foremost, personal research was not cutting it. That was very overwhelming, and so I found a course. I went with the one where I saw the most, like I would say a handful, 5 or more, people making around $100,000 a month, and they had all taken the same course. And so to me, that was like no brainer. That's the course I need to take. Luckily for me, it was only $7 in 15 days. I took the course very seriously. I did not procrastinate. I had all of the coaching meetings that they offered for free within that $7 course. And then I wanted to save time and kind of get started as soon as I could. So I did upgrade with the blueprints that they offered. Then I chose my niche for me, making money from home, the wealth niche. And I had to set up my funnel, my email autoresponder, all of that technical stuff. Luckily, the blueprints handed that to me on a silver platter. Now I'm in content creation. I'm trying to get Instagram and TikTok and Facebook to like me. That's kind of the next step. So check out the link in my bio for the course that I ended up taking and follow along for more.